abutin. Ikaw pa rin aking bituin, kung natangi kong damdamin sa huling palagi. Bronx, Baby Shark. May Baby Shark. Kasi yung baby sister ko, mahilig sa balloons. Tapos mahilig din siya sa Baby Shark. Ito naman ang hilig mga gat. Ayan o. Ayan o. Diba? Terror yan, terror. Nangangat ng pusa. Malaman mo, ako palagi. Paumaga? What's paumaga? Check ko. Paumaga. Basag-basag na yung ano ko.
Dami trabaho, stress eating, bigat ng piling. Mag-Bear Brand Sterilize.
Paumaga.
Vitamins and zinc. Tulong pa rin feel malinis, feel matibay.
Sino kumanta nito? Al James. Oo. Ilang months si Bronx? Siguro mga 6 months. Mag-uumaga na naman at ikaw ang katabi. Bakit ba nandito ka? Dito ka umuwi sa'kin. Pagod ng alaga, gustong magpahinga. Umaga na naman kami, nagtapos kagabi. Mag-uumaga na naman at ikaw ang katabi. Yan ang araw umuwi. Gustong magpahinga. Umaga na naman kami, nagtapos kagabi. Gusto ko maglaro guys ng ano. Sige, maglaro tayo PS5. Dito ka umuwi. Sabi mo wala namang ibig sabihin kasi ito lang naman ako para sa dali. Tanang ka wala, di ka lalaro tayong ano guys, 2K25. Abang waiting na naman at ikaw ang katabi. Saan yung remote? Gustong magpahinga. Umaga na naman kami, nagtapos kagabi. Yung gagawa po ng homework, gawin nyo na po. Sabi ko lang kung yan. Taga-diet din ako. Sige, pag gumala ako, tinan natin, announce natin kung saan. Madalas ako mag-SM. Pero not sure kung ngayon mag-SM pa rin ako madalas. Mabini ka? Yes po, sa Mabini po ako nag-aaral. Shoutout Eddie Wag. Sorry, hindi ko po nabasa yung pangalan. Wait. Open ko lang yung PS5, guys. Grade 12 pa lang po ako, STEM student. Oo, hindi. Tama o mali. Okay, I'll be back. Wait. Mag-isa lang ako ng bala. Sabi mo wala namang ibig sabihin kasi. Aba! Nawala lang ako dito, may 2K25 na pala kami. Dito tayo maglalaro. Pa-shoutout ka, gawa na ako assignment. What's your assignment? Shoutout po sa'yo, gawin mo na, mag-aral ka ng maayos. Connect lang ako sa Bluetooth. Para nag-install lang yung PS5. Mark, shoutout. Shoutout sa'yo, boss. Anong height mo? 6'3" po.
plug the AC power cord when the power indicator on your PS5 is in the middle of blinking. Your data might
Hi
be
guys.
lost, corrupted, or damaged.
Hindi naman kayong topic oh. Sagutin natin.
Press cross to select.
Kumanap yung Bluetooth nung ano namin. Alarm clock na Bluetooth. Not turned off properly oh. Yung last na gumamit itong PS5. Ano to, lubat? Lubat yata yun. Mag-Bicol ka daw. Di ako tatawag mag-Bicol pa. De. Asan ako ngayon? Nasa Bicol po. Umuwi na ako eh. Pauwi na ako. Ito mo, Max. Diyan tayo magpapatugtog, guys. Bossing. Sino kasama mo dyan? Parang ikaw. Yes, mag-isa lang po ako. Ang laki-laki na ito. Wala akong kasama. Iniwan nila ako lahat. Ano kayang maganda ipatugtog? Itong ano? All to myself. Hindi ka nag-stop. Di po ako nag-stop mag-aral. Naka-modular lang naman po ko eh. Doon ka mabalik Manila. Balik po ako sa January. Pahinga muna tayo guys. Ilang hours na stuck pa uwi. Medyo mabilis lang naman ako guys. Di ako ganun katagal. Maturog na banggi na. Dahil pa ako maturog. May nahalat pa nga niya akong tropa. Hay na bagay ning duwa. Need you on myself. Ba't di po na masyado nakakasama si John? Magkakaiba po kasi kami ng schedule eh. Sa Bicol po, uwi si JM. Aba, 10% na lang pala ako. Hintay lang natin tumalaw ba, tas goodbye. Tomorrow, mag-live ulit ako. Tell me words that you don't mean. I'm already numb to it. I'm already numb to it. Feed me lies, tear me up, break me down. I don't wanna be playing these games. I'm already used to it. I'm already used to you being this cold, 'cause keeping you close shouldn't be hard. If you were honest when you said you miss me, you play with my pride, making me feel like we are something real. I know we've been over this, it's nothing new. You're still gonna be leaving me here. It's easier hating you than missing you, but I don't wanna be feeling this way. Come here. I'm already through this. Die with a smile. Hindi ko po yung kaya na nakahiga. Yes po, nag-aaral pa ako. But keeping you close shouldn't be hard. If you were honest when you said you miss me, you played with my pride, making me feel like we are something real. When thinking you stay shouldn't feel wrong. This is the last time I'll ask you to listen. All my cards, The thing. Maganda rin yung music na Padabata ka. Bumatok yung aso namin. Natakot ako kasi solo lang ako dito. Yun nga pala yung aso. Yung pusa namin na andito rin. Marina, natututa ka. Anong grade ka na? Grade 12 na po ako. Night changes? Pwede naman. Palipat-lipat tayo ng song, ha? Changes into something red. Her mother doesn't like that kind of dress. Everything she never had, she's showing off. Stem po ako. Driving too fast, moon is breaking through her hair. She's heading for something that she won't forget. Having no regrets is all that she really wants. We're only getting older, baby, and I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. 2 hours away lang po ako kay Therese pag umuwi siya. Disappearing when you wake up, but there's nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night changes, it'll never change me and you. Chasing her tonight, doubts are running through her head. He's waiting, hides behind a cigarette. Heart is beating loud and she doesn't want it to stop. May SM kayo dito sa diet? Yes po, may SM po kami. Kahapon nandun po ako, kumain ako dun sa bagong open lang na kainan ng chicken. Ang sarap as in, ang solid. Regrets is all that she really wants. Tapos sa Bagasbas, yes po, nagbagasbas din ako kahapon. Kahapon din galing akong Colossi. Sinamahan ko yung mga fellow Demolays ko. Elaine, does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night. Nakita niyo po ako sa SM yata or sa Bagasbas. Disappearing when you wake up, but there's nothing to be afraid of. Even pakaingay ng aso, kakatayin ko na to. Kinilaw guys, kinilaw. Alsal kinilaw. You're so noisy daw, oh. Nagrereklamo na, oh. Ang ingay mo daw. May sarili akong teddy bear. Live teddy bear, guys. Pamay na lang po. 500 na lang. Kasi ang ingay niya. Oh, di ba kakagatin niya pa ako? Guys, pamay na nga. Pamay. Free shipping. Oh, sa'yo na to, Nor. Sandlock. We're only getting older, baby. And I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. Ever dream of when you wake up to be afraid of when changes. Guys, papagupitan ko na tong side ko. Sideburns ba ang tawag dito? Magpapatublak ako, guys. Korean peg ba? I think they call this love. All I dream of is your eyes. All I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that's enough. Ooh. You could say that I'm a fool. We say you know when you know. So let's face it, had me at hello. Hesitation never helps. How could this be anything else? When all I dream of is your eyes, all I long for all is your touch. And darling, something tells me that's enough. Ooh, you could say that. BMF sa Daet, looking forward dyan. Sana may invite. But I think they call this love. One smile, one kiss, two lonely hearts is all that it takes now, baby. You're on my mind every night, every day. Vibrations getting loud. Taga Bicol ka po? Saan ka po sa Bicol? Next song na ako, guys. Blue. Banana. Banana. Kamsur. Your morning eyes, I could stare like flashing stars. I can watch you by. Top artist ko sa Spotify. Have Abby. My girl, you're mine. And tonight, now you're all that I want in this life. I imagine we fell in love under by the moonlit skies. I'm with you. I think I'll picture us here with the waves, the oceans call us. I'm afraid I'll leave my hour with your air. So let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me? Guys, in 5 minutes, mag-end na rin ako siguro. Coming na rin dito yung friends ko eh. Tapos tomorrow, mag-level it ako. Punta ako sa Kamhay. Dati, Kamhay din ako. Siguro mag-visit ako doon, kung may mag-invite. Ganun. Pumupunta lang naman ako guys kung saan may nag-invite sa akin eh. If this world were mine, Roman number 7, babe, driving like it's hot. Into the man, I take it into the night. Introduce him to the night. It was strictly with the fa. Hey, Roman number 7, babe, driving like it's hot. Ain't this wanted man, I taking. Saan po ako ngayon? Sa house. Guys, lowbat na ako. So, bye-bye na. Love you all. Tomorrow ulit. Bye-bye.